my roommate in college said he knew what I was trying to do, and he came to me and he said, "Listen, if there's any chance that you're going to pull this off, there's one person I've met," and he was working at Goldman at the time. He goes, "There's one person I've met who's an MD here who would sort of appreciate your story, and you should meet him." And so I went. I met with this guy, and he wasn't convinced that. I think he was convinced I wanted to not be an FA, but I don't think he was convinced that I really wanted this job. So he put me through. Yeah, he gave me a bunch of stuff to read, a bunch of research reports, books, and said, "Hey, go take a look, read through all of this stuff, work with your friend when you have questions, and then let's meet up in a month and come and revisit this." And I think that went on for about 4 meetings.